little local alley there. Buddhist shrine, I presume. Look at those stairs going up that building. You see our destination. The Bitexco Tower straight ahead. Down by the riverfront. Just ahead of us is the sky deck, one of the must-visit viewpoints of Ho Chi Minh City. So now the challenge is to get over the road. You want to get over onto the other side there by the river. See those cannons over there? We have to get over this road, which is very busy. So I reckon we just got to take it one road at a time and hope for the best. So Amaro, are you ready?
Not yet.
She's got to think about it a little bit first.
Let's go to the stripes.
Amaro reckons that the stripes make a difference. So you seriously believe these stripes are going to make a difference?
Yeah.
Well, let's give it a go. So we made it. Wasn't that difficult? Just go with the flow. Some cannons pointing out over the river. I think it's called the Mekong River. Both old and very modern boats sailing on it. Look at this one. And of course a good collection of tour boats too. Probably dinner and lunch cruises. And some Vietnamese Heineken billboards. Heineken is of course Dutch beer. It doesn't look that clean, the river. Got a lot of colonial architecture around here. Shadows of the high, tall modern sky rises. Saigon River, the harbour area. And the ship there in the distance is called the Nautilus Pioneer Saigon. Here we have a barge carrying some kind of stones passing by. Quite a long barge. The workers are all busy here preparing for the new year. All New Year decorations which hang over the roads. Tran Hung Dao. Vietnamese Communist flag, a star, and of course the hammer and sickle. Good catch of catfish, it looks like. Fishermen. Still down by the riverside. Here's another view of the sky deck, which we're going to visit when we get into that area. The river boulevard seems to get a little bit prettier now. More of a pedestrian walking area. The Riverside Hotel with more colonial architecture. Still room for bicycles in this hustle and bustle. Little oasis in the middle of it all.
Don't touch me.
Oh, here we are by the river. You can see the signs in the background. Maro just told me, don't touch me, because I'm wet. We're soaking wet, the sun came out. It's not very much sun, but it's pretty hot down here. It's not as hot as Singapore. I think it could also be hotter in Thailand than it is here. But it's still very warm. And there's still a lot of sweat on our backs.
And the sky deck is calling for one cold beer.
That sounds like a good idea today. I'm in. This is the square where the people gather in the evenings. So we're just about at the Bitexco Financial Tower. Look at this colonial house at the foot of it. The tower is just over here, as you can see from the sign. And we're going all the way up there to the top of the Bitexco Tower. That's it, a viewpoint in Ho Chi Minh City. Just on the street to the Bitexco Financial Tower. Look what's up there. You see it? I'm talking to you, not to the viewers. I'm actually talking to you.
Yeah, I see it.
Showing them where we're going up.
I see it. So,
I'm going to do a selfie here. Maybe we'll put it on Instagram if it's good. This must be the entrance to the tower. Here there's a taxi service, those of you who want to drive here or drive away from here. The taxi is waiting at the door. Are you ready to go up?
I'm more than ready.
Let's move. You can see there's a cinema in here and a whole lot of offices too. Nicely decorated for Christmas and a nice view upward. And I would imagine that you buy tickets from that counter over there. So now to figure out how we're going to go up there and where we're going to go to. We're going to go up the escalator and then we must go over there to the left where the lady has a Santa Claus hat on. And there the lifts are that will take us up to the cafe. We're only going to go up to the cafe, not to the viewpoint. We'll do that another day. Maro's already up there. Just making my way up also to the lifts. We're going to take the lift to the 50th floor. And then we're going to pass through these doors. I think she has a remote control, or yes, open automatically. We were standing down there, that's the entrance. So now we're making our way to the lift. I hope this isn't too bumpy. I should have put it into 50 frames per second. I'm running at 4K. It's not very good for walking. There you have the lifts. which are going to take us to the 50th floor. Merry Christmas to you too! Thank you, thank you.
50? Yes.
50th floor.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye bye. So, a journey to the 50th floor.
Yes. Hold tight.
Holding tight, not feeling anything yet. Ah, here we go.
It goes rather fast.
Feels to be going fast.
I feel it in my stomach.
You can see it ticking along here.
Ooh. I feel my ears walking.
Isn't that a little bit early? Oh, now I feel it too. There we go. My ears popped too. I just had to swallow and now it's sort of okay.
Ooh.
Probably a hell of a firework. Ooh, that went quickly. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. We're here. Ooh. Which way are we going to open? Probably that side. I knew it. It's always the wrong side. And here we are. Mara wanted some booze. Booze. So we have to go to the 52nd floor. For two, yeah?
This way.
Yes?
Nice, with a nice view.
It's the Eon Heli Bar. That's what it looks like. Mara reads the menu. Just gonna show the view. Rather high up. It's one of the famous markets down there. The traffic circle next to it. Very worthwhile visit. Fantastic view of the entire city. So, the Eon Heli Bar on the 51st floor. Nice 1 liter jug of tiger beer. Some complimentary peanuts and wastage of beer. Thank you very much. Nice cold beer for the lady. I'm sitting a little bit away from the window. Not because I'm afraid or anything, but because it's very high up. So the price with 1 liter of tiger beer, including the service charge, is around 334,150. Plenty of nice places to sit up in this bar. Enjoy the view. So when Mara and I came up to the top of this viewing tower, we actually thought this was a viewing terrace, but it is in fact a heliport, hence the name, a heli bar. So back down again. Show us the way to the lift and press the button, I suppose, for the next floor. So when you come from the 51st floor, you take the lift down to the 50th, where you have to change to another one to get down again. There's a Christmas buffet up here. 1 million dong, or 950,000 per person. There we go. And we're not going to take that lift. A little bit too many people in there. It moves pretty fast, that lift. And our turn. There we go. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Very much. Lovely.
See you again. Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And down we go again.
4,
You
3,
fill your ears.
1, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24.
It really is going that fast. Wow, I feel my ear. Whoa. But it's not bad. Your ears just blocking.
It's slowing down a little bit when it
Now we're
goes
slowing down. It's a very fast lift. And it was a worthwhile visit. And we're back down, now we have to obviously take the escalator again. in the same direction that we came in. We'll be going back outside the door over there. If you need a coffee afterwards. I can see this is a shopping mall with various levels of shops. Maybe we should just take a look at some of the levels while we're here. What do you think?
Hey, mango. Yes, please.
Oh no. Maro's favorite shop. I'm just going to have a quick look at this shopping mall. There's of course a cinema in here also. We haven't been in yet. We are planning to go and see the new Star Wars Rogue One. We saw some pictures of the cinema and they look fantastic. The chairs, top comfort, top quality and relative prices are around 300,000 dong for a premiere movie.